This video will show you how to navigate the Fecon Connect website, where you can order parts, materials, supplies, or download any manuals you may need. We'll start by logging on to Fecon Connect, www.fecon.com/support. From there, you will see the following options: log into your account now, browse as a guest, or search by serial number. For this example, we'll choose the Login to an Account method. First, you'll enter your username and password and click Login, and it'll take you to the main page. The easiest way to find what you're looking for is simply to input your serial number in the top search bar. As you type in your serial number, it will auto-populate, so you can scroll down and select your serial number as it populates. Once you click on the serial number, it will pull up all the manuals associated with that part number. It'll pull up your parts manual, your service manual, your operations manual, and it even pulls up your installation instructions for that unit. Let's check out the parts manual. Once you click it, you'll see it's broken down by general sections within the unit. We'll first look at the hose hanger section. If you're looking for the hydraulic tank cover strap, you would click on the text for that part, and you can get a picture of it. You can see the pricing, you can see if the part's in stock, and you can add it directly to the cart from here. If you go back, you can also add your parts to the cart from this page. If you have your serial number and you know what you're looking for, everything's broken down by section and it's pretty easy to find. We do have a recommended spare parts list section on here for most units, but feel free to click around and get familiar with your unit that you're working on. If you want to print a manual, click on Export at the top right, and you can export the entire book, or you can just export a section. Once you make your selection, you would click Submit, and it will go into your job manager. From there, you can export it, print it, or email, whichever is most convenient. We'll talk more about the job manager section later in this video. Here's another search feature that you can use when you're in a parts manual. If you're only looking for a particular part, like a skid shoe, click on this button and just type in shoe, and it will take you directly to the skid shoes within that manual. You can zoom in and out, and like I mentioned before, you can add your part to the cart right from this page. When you're ready to check out, click on your cart in the top right corner, and you can either request a quote or submit for a purchase order. You can also add parts right to your order from this page by clicking the blue Add button. If you know the part numbers, just type them in. Select that part number and click Add. The cart page offers you a few different options. If you know you're ordering a part that you're going to order frequently, you can save your order by clicking the Save button. Once the Save window pops up, you simply name your order and click Save. To find this saved order, just click the Open button and search for your saved order name. You can also export it so you can put it into your own ERP system. We can also help you import your orders from your ERP system to make it easier so you're not having to duplicate information. Once you're done adding parts, simply click Purchase Order from the cart page. You will need to fill out the required fields: billing address, shipping address, purchase order number, contact email, shipping preferences, and you will need to select yes or no on stock order. Please verify all the information is correct, including your contact email. We will send you an order confirmation email to your specified email address once the order is complete. Once you click Submit, you will receive an email copy of the order that you've placed. Once we receive your order, we confirm with you that we have received it, and if there are any issues with any material, we'll notify you. The whole process of submitting an order is actually pretty simple. At the top right, there's the Account section. You can look at news items to review recent updates from Fecon. In this section, we post service bulletins, important updates about units, happenings in the field campaigns, and similar items of that nature. You would also get a notification of news items when you log in. They're all saved in this section for your convenience. Anything that you've submitted to print is under the Job Manager section. You can go back and reference everything that you've exported or printed. All of the orders that you've submitted are saved under your order submission history. Under the Settings section, you can update contact information and update your password. One thing to be aware of are serial number breaks. For example, on the 128, we have a serial number break. Here's an example where there is a serial number break on this unit after 3005, and we've listed that within the manual, so that's where it's important to know your serial number. If you're looking for general service bulletins or field campaigns, those are all listed under the Service Bulletin sections by product model number. If you're looking to file a warranty claim or complete your warranty registration, simply click the Warranty section. Sales and Marketing Information, Policy and Procedures is available online as well as under the Sales and Marketing section.